Don't miss a beat, join the notification squad by clicking that bell. You'll get notified every time I upload a video, and be sure to join our Discord to talk and get help with your code.
Hey, what's up guys, my name is Jack, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a bot in Heroku and host it 24/7, because there are a lot of people asking how to set up a bot on Heroku. So I decided to make a tutorial for you guys who are having trouble with it. So yes, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna show you 3 ways you can deploy your bot. Hey, it's me from the future. Yes, I know. So actually there are 2 ways only on how you can set up your bot on Heroku, and forget about Dropbox because it's not going to be supported anymore. So yeah, keep watching and see you soon. The first way is going to be this one, Heroku Git. It's like GitHub but different with Heroku. You'll see that if you know Git. Next one is gonna be GitHub. Easy. Next, Dropbox. Super easy, easier than GitHub, I think. So first we need an account. When you create an account, you need to sign in, log in, and same thing. And you're going to be here. You're not gonna have any apps, so you're going to create new app. Choose a name. This is not taken, so let's create the app. So now we need to download Heroku CLI for it so it can work. So if you don't have it, it won't work. So if you have Mac OS, you click here. If you have Windows, click the one you have. I'm gonna download this one. Then when it finishes, just open it, click next, and okay. I'm not going to do it because I already have it. So now we have to open a command prompt, and here type Heroku login, and this will pop up. Now you type your email. I'm gonna type mine. So when you type it, just hit enter. Then it's gonna ask you for your password. Just put your password, hit enter, and it's going to say login has your email. My email is blurred out because I don't want you to have my email. So okay, so now we can close this. Okay, one more thing. I think you're going to get an error because you don't have the Node.js build pack. So we need to go to our command prompt, copy this. I'm going to leave it in the description. It's going to say build pack command, and you just copy, paste it, hit enter, and just wait for it to download. Mine is already done, so I don't have to wait a lot. Well, I think you don't have to wait a lot either, but it's just if you get an error like Node.js is not found in the build packs or something like that, so you just go to the description, copy that, and open command prompt, paste it, hit enter, wait for it to download, then you can close it and keep doing whatever you were doing. So now we're going to our bots folder, right click, git bash here. If you don't have git bash, you should download it. It's pretty good. Just go to the link in the description where it says git. Just click here and it will download. Click next, and easy download. As always, I'm going to also leave the Heroku link in the description, so you don't have to go to Google and type Heroku and find the right one. So I'm leaving it easy for you. So now we're going to let me close this one. If you don't want to download it, just shift click and open PowerShell. I personally don't like PowerShell, and I have this. It's better. So now we need to create a Git repository, and for that we need to download this. So it's not optional, you need to download it if you are going to use this method, because if you don't, you're not gonna have this comment called git it's necessary, so you can do git init, and it creates a new folder. That's our repository. And now we need to create a git ignore file. Yes, file, not .txt, just git ignore and nothing else after that. So you have to use your IDE or text editor to create it, so it's easier and you don't have .txt at the end and all that other stuff like that. And here we're going to put this folder, node modules, because you don't need it. Heroku does that automatically, it creates it automatically. Also, we need to exclude a package log.json. Let me zoom in. We need to exclude this. This one is just for my IDE. I don't want this file in my repository. So now we need to create a new file called proc file, and going to click yes. That will add it to my Git repository, and here we're going to type worker column, now node that, and now your app name, your main file, the one that starts the bot. Mine is index.js. Here you can see everything, so I'm going to type index.js. So now that you have your worker set up, you need to go to our git bash terminal, type git add and a dot after that, so it adds everything in the every file that it's not excluded. You can also check if it's added with status, git status, and you'll see that it's green, new file, and yes, that means that it's already added. So now we can commit it using git commit /m in quotations, open quotations, type first commit or whatever message you want. Now close, you need to close it also, so you need to type git commit then /m, so it gets a message, and you need to open the quotation so you can type your message in there. If you don't have that quotation mark, you're gonna get an error. If you don't close it also, you're going to get an error, so make sure to open and close it. Now we can hit enter. Now we need to copy this, copy, paste, hit enter and wait like 30 seconds or not. Well, was instantaneous for me. I can speak. Now we can use git push Heroku. Don't forget to put Heroku at the end, because it will not push to Heroku and the bot will not go online. So let me show you. It's now offline. It's this one. It's now offline, as you can see. Now we hit enter. Oh, we need to copy this since it's the first time we done it. Copy, hit enter, and just wait until it downloads everything. Compressing. It will do this every time you push, so don't worry. Okay, now we need to check the logs because it's not deploying. Missing script start. Okay, we need to go to our resources. Wait, we need to go to resources and disable this one, confirm, and then enable this one. Okay, confirm. If you don't see that, just reload the page and that's it. Okay, so now we have our bot online and first method done. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so now we're going to use GitHub. First we need to create an account, sign in, then click new repository, type a name. I'm going to type Heroku tutorial, there it is. Create a new repository, and now I'm going to use GitHub desktop. Here you can click here and open GitHub desktop. If you don't have it, it will tell you to download it, I think. I'm not sure. In path, I'm going to choose another path. It's where I have my bots here. Heroku tutorial. Select folder. Cloning. Now we wait. And I think I did something wrong. Yes, I did. Well, we just go here and here. Close. Let me open this. Sorry about that, guys. I didn't know it was going to do that, because I don't use GitHub Desktop. So now we're going to move this in this file here, because we don't. Well, let's move it, all of them. So now we're going to our IDE or text editor, create new file, call the git ignore like before. Yes, and paste, well, and write this node underscore modules and a slash to say, so it knows it's a folder. Enter and package log.json. Well, I can't type today. Package log.json, and I'm going to add idea. Nah, it's not needed. So that's what you need. Also, you need a proc file called file called proc file. You need capital P. So don't forget the capital P. I didn't say that in the last method because I forgot it. But hopefully you did it right. So enter. Now we type worker colon node, and now your main file, the one that starts your bot. Mine is it's index.js, so I'm going to type index.js. Save it. Let me close this. Save it. Now we can go to here, and this is the commit message. So you're going to put first commit and commit to master. Now you have to publish branch easy and wait. Now you can go to here, refresh, and everything will be here. But first you might be asking, what about my token? Your token will be here also. Not this file. I don't want this file. I want this file. It'll be here also. So we need to actually hide it. So for that we're going to our Heroku app. If you need to create an app, I'm not gonna show you how, but it's easy. I already show it in the first few minutes of this tutorial. So now we're going to our app, click settings, reveal config bars, and here we're going to type token or whatever name you want, and here we're going to put the token in there. So we're going to cut this, paste it here, add it, and now we can use process.m dot your name that you use here. In my case I use token, so I'm going to put token, and hopefully you didn't push when I was pushing it also, like you didn't commit and then push to master, because everyone is now going to see your tokens. So if you did, just delete the repository. You just click settings and delete delete this repository, and that's it. And rewatch this part of the tutorial. I'm not going to, because I'm going to delete this afterwards. So now we can put a command like removed token, commit to master, then push to origin. Wait for her. Now we can refresh and you'll see that everything is here, updated. Okay, so now we're going to our app. This is the fun stuff. Hit deploy, then connect to GitHub, and it's going to ask to log in. Just put your credentials. I already have mine, as you can see. And here's the repository name, the repo name. You need to copy this or here, whatever, it's the same thing, and paste it here, then search, and there it is. Just click connect, wait for it to load. And now we can deploy branch. And actually, let me open logs so I know if there's some error or something. Oh, well, I guess we already have it online. And look, build succeeded. So that means that we already have our bot online. So this is the GitHub method. Let's jump to the Dropbox one. Oh, also, before I leave, you can add more. If you have more API tokens or something like that, you can always go to settings, rebuild config bar, and add whatever name you have, like let's say Fortnite one, your API here, I don't know, then add it. Then you can go to your login thing, I don't know, then put process.m and your name here. In my case is Fortnite, so you put Fortnite, and you'll get this value. No one will see your API key, so that's perfect. Okay, let's go to Dropbox. Okay, now let's do Dropbox, and for that we just need a Dropbox account. We click Dropbox. Oh wait, oh never mind, because Heroku will support for Dropbox will end on Tuesday. So thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, leave a like if it works, if it worked, leave a like if you got an error. I hope not. And go to our Discord server to get help. I'm always there, so you can tag me, ping me, whatever you want. Just don't abuse or I'll ban you personally. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time.